Good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to my car in Fleet Services. We are on our way to Brands Hatch to sample some truck racing, and we've been very kindly invited by MV Commercials, and we're going VIP style, so yeah, should be a really fun weekend. We'll be meeting a couple of the other vloggers up there, and a little bit of a different format for me. I'm not going to be sort of jazzing it up too much. This is going to be a vlog format, and just so you can see it from our perspective and you can come and enjoy the truck racing and know what it's all about, really. Excuse the slight lack of enthusiasm this morning. I was out in the truck Monday to Friday. I got home from work at 8 o'clock Friday night. Got everything prepared for this weekend, and then got to bed at like almost midnight, and then up again at 4:30 this morning to make my way to Brands Hatch. So yeah, we're going to go and get back on the road. We'll meet up with the rest of the, not all the road legends, but some of the road legends who are going to be joining me for the weekend. And yeah, we're going to have some fun. Just made it to the circuit, and about 20 minutes early, so just waiting for the rest of the guys to turn up, and we'll make our way in. Parked outside the paddock entrance. As you can see, it's very sunny, but that's very deceptive because I think the weather's going to be interesting today. Oh look, you can see my mountain bike. Brought my mountain bike along with me, you know, fitness and all that. Fitness first. Right, I'm gonna wait for the guys to turn up, and I'll speak to you in a bit. This is how you do truck racing? Yeah. Okay. Luke! Hello! Hello mate, right? Luke! Truck J! Hello! This is how you do truck racing. VIP style.
Oh, look at me, I'm KevTee with my super wide angle lens. Woo! I need to get me one of these.
See this truck racing, you should get it. These 1,000 brake horsepower beasts doing over 100 miles an hour is absolutely unbelievable. VIP doing social media posts. This is what it's all about.
So Kev, we are currently in the MV Commercial Hospitality Suite. How has today been?
Today's been awesome, mate.
What have you been up to?
I've been wandering around, we've been checking out the action on track, watching the trucks put down some tyre rubber on the track, and yeah, just enjoying the fantastic hospitality with MV. Coffees, cakes, burgers on tap. Steak, yeah, steak. Right, so we are joined again with Luke, friend of the channel. We've done a few videos with Luke, and yeah, no, this season's been good for you, hasn't it?
Been great, mate. Yeah, it's been blooming good, really good. To be fair, we've had a nice. We've finished every race. You know, which nearly every race has been a podium. So yeah, consistent year. It's a bit more special this year, I think, because last year we had. We put the engine in last year and we had a bit of conflict, people saying it wasn't allowed, but obviously it passed everything to be in the championship.
Exactly, yeah.
But this year people all put the similar engines in, and so obviously everyone's up their game, and we're still on top, so yeah, it's great.
Yeah, and yeah, another championship in the bag.
Yeah, try and go for a third.
Yeah.
We have done a bit of, hang on, Avi, we've done a bit of research, and we don't think anyone's won Division 2 twice.
Really?
2 years running.
Yeah.
We're not sure, we think so, because you used to have to go up a class when you won the championship. So, but yeah, obviously we don't have to go up. So yeah, we're trying to go for third.
It's good. Yeah. Next year.
Yeah, next year, but just the same, I think.
Yeah.
Just
carry on.
Just
having
carry
fun.
on. Yeah, having fun. Might be the same truck.
Yeah.
Might do a few modifications because that's what it's all about.
Yeah, exactly.
Always want to go faster, don't you? So.
Yeah. No, definitely. Well, congratulations on this year,
Cheers,
mate.
Kev. Thank you
really
very much.
good. And yeah, another good weekend this weekend. Weather's been a bit on and off, but
yeah, I like the wet here.
Yeah.
It's a slippery track, even in the dry. So
exactly.
it really does. It's a good challenging track.
Yeah. Really good. And yeah, look forward to seeing you again next year.
Yeah, pop along, mate. Thank you.
Nice one. Look at this. The weather's coming again. It's wet again. And yeah, what a fantastic weekend we've had here. We've got another one of Neil Yates's trucks here. They've got a really impressive fleet here today. There's another one of their DAFs. And over here, look what we've got here. We've got the Actros 5. No mirrors. Nice. Anyway, big thanks again to MV for having us here. It's been a fantastic weekend. Great chance to see the trucks up and close. Plenty of trucks here on display. Got the race trucks going out again. Look, they're the last ones to go out. So yeah, really impressive display of trucks. The truck race, and if you've not been to see this truck race, and it's really impressive. You know, the speeds that they reach, it just takes your breath away. And yeah, in the wet, just really good. Entertainment value is fantastic, and yeah, there's something to do for all the family. You got the fairground ride and everything. So yeah, really enjoyable weekend. I'll definitely be back, and I'm going to do some more work with Luke from Garrett Truck Sport again. Hopefully he shall be as successful as he was last year, and this year, and yeah. It'll be great. So yeah, from me at Brands Hatch, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again very soon.